Welcome to Eye Candy. In this week's video, we're going to work on a 2021 Toyota Sequoia, so stay tuned. The damage on this Toyota Sequoia is pretty light. It's got a little ding on the quarter panel. PDR guy's already worked at it a little bit, so need to get back in there and get it straightened out the rest of the way, and then get it painted. The bumper right next to it also has a little bit of a ding, so we're gonna fix that at the same time and blend all the little adjacent panels like the fuel door and this little pocket next to the taillight. Yeah, it should come out nice. It's a 3-stage, so we do have to keep it tight and small. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so this dent right here, the majority of it's right there on that edge. Unfortunately, it does go all the way up to this fuel pocket. It has been pushed. I can see all the PDR marks. It's really hard to get it on camera, but it is wavy and it's not all the way done. So I'm gonna have to finish getting this out all the way, get the metal out all the way, and then maybe work this out a little bit, but I'll probably end up with at least glaze in like a section about this big through that area, just to get rid of any little lows, because it's kind of like a big gradual low right through here, and we want it to be perfect, so, or as good as it can be. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this dent. So I got this all sanded out. It came out really well. However, I did get this just a touch undercut because there is like a factory kind of like a crown right through this area, and it just kind of undercut this filler just a little bit right in that area. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it one bigger skim of some glaze down through there, and hopefully that'll make that all kind of blend out and just look really uniform and straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and hopefully this thing will be ready for primer soon. Well, that's gonna finish up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one.